Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. So we found this little plant stand. I'm just going to try out a few shades of green and do some simple blending techniques.
I start by using my continuous mist bottle to mist down the plant stand. DIY paint is thick, rich, and heavily pigmented. The water will help it move easily across the surface. For this project, I'll be using the DIY paint colors Queen Bee, White Swan, Fancy Farm Girl, and Salty Kiss. I start by covering the entire plant stand in a base coat of Fancy Farm Girl. As I was painting, there was a stubborn spot of bleed through that kept appearing on the bottom of the shelf. I used DIY Paint's Salvation Solution in white to cover that spot. It took 2 coats, and then I painted over it in Fancy Farm Girl. Now it was time to start blending in some of the other colors. So I used plenty of water from my Water Girl mist bottle, added bits of color of paint to the brush, and started blending. When I start a blending project like this, I don't usually have an exact idea of what I want it to look like. I just keep adding paint, water, and blending slowly until I get the look that I want. Use a light hand with the brush so you don't reactivate the first layer of paint. When that happens and the first layer reactivates, it can pull up, exposing the wood underneath. This was the finished blend before adding sealer. As you can see, there's a few spots where I reactivated the first layer of paint. I just went with it though because it looked like distressing and I liked the look. For the finish, I used DIY's liquid patina. And I could have stopped right here and been perfectly happy with the plant stand, but I thought it needed something extra, so I decided to use the Iron Orchid Designs Transfer called Franz Botanical. Use the plastic stick that comes with the transfer to gently rub and peel back the plastic backing at the same time, working from one side to the other. To make sure the transfer is fully adhered to the surface, use a soft cloth or paper towel to rub the entire transfer. This process is called burnishing. For the final step, I use DIY's Big Top to seal over the entire transfer. And here's the finished project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I have new videos uploading. To purchase any of the products used in today's video, visit your local stockist or my website, mamabearblue.com. Thanks for watching.